What's up guys, Kodi here from Ginger Fishing, bringing you another video. Today we went to private pond. I can't tell anyone about it, but I went fishing with rawr fishing and my dad. So we had a really good time. We caught over 150 fish around there, 150 bass. A couple crappies were caught here and there. At the end of the video, I'll tell you what we're using and how we're using it. So basically a couple different baits. I don't even know. I'll tell you the ones I was using. I know Jimmy and my dad, they were both using different baits than I were. So yeah. And I'll tell you guys what hooks I was using and the colors, because some of the colors are wrong, but yeah. And might be hitting up a golf course soon. I don't know when. Tried to hit up the other day. Nothing really happened. And don't mind this. Well, this is my Falcon jersey. So Michael Vick jersey, man. That was my man. Jammas, man. We were fishing for 6 hours. So it was a long day. So let you guys know at the end of the video what bait we use and how we use them. So, and where we were using them at. So peace.
Third. Coochie down to the socks like I'm Biggie Papa. Baby. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But when it out, she a silly hoe. Cause you know the friggin'
Camera died, but I just got this little guy right here. There he goes.
Hit me again.
Yeah?
Wanna try this one?
No, you're good. You know what?
I'll throw it out there and
Look at that thing.
here, let me give you another one. That's it out there.
It looks good, like, if you actually go back to the other side. And you see that little point right there? If you fish off of that.
That point right there?
Yep.
Yeah, I was... Oh.
Reeling it in. Big one here. There we go. There we go. Little bass right here. On the Senko. Just made my finger bleed. Man, they're feisty little guys in here. There we go. Little guy right here. There we go. Fish on. There we go.
Anything else yet, Coach?
Yeah, I caught 3 over here.
Anything good though?
Nah. Another little dink right here. Skinny guys in here. They're still fish. Fish on. There we go.
Anything else yet, Coach?
Yeah, I caught 3 over here.
Anything good though?
Nah. Another little dink right here. Skinny guys in here. They're still fish. There we go. So that's what, 3 fish in a row? On 3 fish for 3 casts. Pretty good ratio. Go right here. Another little guy. But fish.
Try that point.
There's one. Calling super fluke right there. Put my camera's on. Yep, it's on. Alright, cool. Little guy right here.
I just keep shooting, but I have like 6 batteries.
Really?
Yeah, I
Can't wait to get the GoPro, man. That's gonna be fun.
Which one you getting?
There we go, switch on. I set the hook and this one not coming off. About to
Good.
jump, it's about to jump. Oh. Yeah, I got it.
Nice.
Crappie.
Oh, some big crappie. Look at that.
Different.
You hit it.
Yeah.
Second species of the day.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna go catch me some crappies now.
Yeah. I forgot. There we go. Little crappie right here, first one of the day. So, there we go. Fish on. Finally. The dry spell is over. Really? My camera turned. There we go. The fish right here. Go dink fest. Dang it, man. Camera. There we go. Fish on. Oh, my rod. Still dead. Huh? Yeah. Doing alright. Better than not catching any fish. Oh, he got off. Oh well. I saw him jump at least. Yeah. Oh, backlash. Oh.
What?
The heck?
Dude, that was a fish. So what happened was your reel was not engaged all the way with the line.
Caught this little dink as like the fish like 26 or 27 for me. Oh, that looks decent right there. I'll take that. Look at that. That's alright.
That's a good color.
Yeah. Especially for this clear water. Working the same as a Senko, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Everything the same way.
Yep, fish on. First cast, yum dinger.
Yum dinger. Looking good. What's going on? Is it a good one?
Nah.
No? Fighting them good?
He's just fighting good.
Go on to that end. Is it good? A better one?
Actually not that bad. Just some weeds around him. Oh, yeah, he actually isn't that bad, is he?
Probably a pound and a quarter.
Yeah.
Probably your biggest one of the day.
Yeah, it is. There we go.
That's what we kind of came here for. Alright.
Oh my god.
So,
Hook my fish in weird spots, man.
looks like I gotta do the same thing right now. Senkoing.
You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I like fighting the fish when I'm like using bottom fishing instead of like, you know, top water fishing when it's just like at low.
Right, because he's all on top of the water, right?
Right.
So what happens when he jumps up, he doesn't have any power to swim because he's not on water.
Right.
Yeah, I like.
That's why I think I use videos. Is this recording? Yeah, little guy right here. He's probably a pound. It's my biggest one of the day right here. But no. What's it called? Fish on. Oh, oh. I can't put it back on my head because it doesn't work. Like, you would understand if you had it. It's weird. Like, I don't know. I messed up that charger so bad. I'm just gonna get a new one. That portable charger. They just put it in my pocket and I'll be set. But, oh well. I'm just gonna get a camera mount. There we go. Fish on. Little ding. Oh.
Oh.
What's that? I don't even think that was a bass.
It was a bass. You didn't take the hook. It was just in his mouth. You gotta send it like no tomorrow, man.
Yeah, that's true. Oh well.
Alright.
That's that. I'm getting it. Guaranteed. I'm just gonna kill this hook set this time. There we go. Oh, I killed the hook set. There we go.
Thingy guy. Got me.
He's like a decent one.
That's a good one for you.
Nah, that's better. Kind of fault hard though, right? Oh, there. There we go. Fish right here. Caught this little bass right here. Let him go. Oh, caught him on Texas rig yum dinger, by the way. There he goes. Just caught this little guy right here. Fish probably 32, 33 maybe.
I tried the
Just caught this little dinkaroo right here. Me and Jimmy just doubled up. He let his fish go, but I put. There you go. Last fish is gone now. Well, that was fast. So, this is what we're using right here. Super fluke. Right here. we were using these in green pumpkin, and we were throwing around the algae, and we were Texas rigging these right here. We just reel it, and when we're reeling it, we were giving it some jigs and stuff, and it was just some hook. So we were just using this right here, right there. That's what we were using. This is ripped off. I ran out, but we were using these silver and purple speckled Senkos. They were 5 inches, but now they're obviously ripped, so they're really not that good. You still wacky rig them for like 2 inches, something like that, yeah. That could work. I was throwing this wacky rig again, Texas rig. Right here. I was throwing them in the open water, let it sink. Throw them in the weeds, throwing around sticks, everything I was throwing around. And then, this is what else we were using right here. A yum dinger, 5 inch. This is the watermelon red. Green and red water. What? You get the point. You get the point. It's green and red. So, that's what we're using, the yum dingers, 5 inch. Also using these. Actually, I didn't use these wacky rig yet. Whoa, as I'm stuttering here. Wacky rigged at all. Just using these Texas rigged and throwing around algae and undercover debris and stuff like that. Worked really good. I missed actually I missed a huge one on the wacky rig with this. Yeah, that's what we're using. I'm sure in rawr fishing video he'll tell you what he was using. We're all gonna have different videos out. So 3 main baits using here. Oh, the hook we had. I'll show you in a minute, but hook we had is crazy. Alright, so actually the flukes were probably about that big. These are I think these are the 4 inch, right? I think they're 4 inch. But this is the hook that we're using right here for Texas rigging. Using this for Texas rigging. Don't mind my crusty fingers, I got cut a little bit. Alright. And I was also using this with a hold on, actually I have a shaky head hook, so you screw the super fluke on, and you have a little a blade there. Throw it out. I only caught one fish on it. There's too much seaweed. We were throwing that around seaweed and stuff. We were fishing on the bank. We can't bring boats in there since it's like a private pond. Well, yeah, it's a series of 6 ponds. That's what it is. But it's great fishing. So this is rod set. We're using 15-pound braid. Just a regular bass pro shop rod. Here's the bag for the Senkos right here. Right there. But basically wraps the video up. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like down below, comment, subscribe, do everything you can. See you next vid.